So all of you, yeah, you can see question number 6 on the board. Can you see question 6 on the board?
Sir, we have to do question number 5.
5. We have to do 5. Okay, do 5. Question 5 first.
Yes, sir.
First, you all do question 5 on your own. The question is, if you bought a cycle for rupees 695 and sold it for a profit of rupees 125. The cost price is given and the profit is given. You have to find the selling price. Use the same formula of profit. What is the formula of profit? Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Use this formula and find the selling price. Start doing it. Start doing question 5. After doing question 5, you will do question 6. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, after finishing question 5, you all will tell me the answer of question 5. Complete it and then tell me the answer.
I bought a cycle of rupees 800.
Sir, we are doing the exercise number.
We are doing better exercise 14.1. Question 5 you have to do. Yes, everyone done with question 5?
Sir, only 2 minutes.
Tell me your answer of question 5. Are you not getting it? Question 5?
Sir, direction button. Sir, can I send the answer in chat box?
Sir, the answer of question 5 is 820.
Sir, only 2 minutes.
Sir, the answer is 780.
Answer is
Good morning, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Have we
780.
780. No, beta, it is not the right answer.
Sir,
Sir, what we are
770?
doing?
No. Question
Sir,
5.
the answer is rupees 820.
Yes, 820 is the right answer.
Sir, the answer
Sir, we are doing question 5.
Yes, question 5.
Question 6.
5 beta 5 we are doing. This was done in the last class. I thought that you all have already done question 5, but you are saying that question 5 is not over. Okay, listen all of you. First you all do question 6. Leave some space for question 5 if you are not getting it. I will tell you question 5. I will do it on the board. Don't worry.
Sir, please tell question 5 again.
Yeah, I will tell. I have not told till now. I will do it on the board. Question 5. First, you all see question number 6.
Sir, can you wait, sir? Sir, I am connecting with my another device, sir. Sir, this is hanging.
Connect quickly. Yeah. Are you all getting my point? I'm saying that you have to leave some space for question 5 and start doing question 6. Okay, I'm telling you what to do in question 6.
Okay,
Everyone. Okay, I'm just telling. Yes, in question 6, Ravi bought a motorbike. Sorry, Karamjeet, क्या कह रहे हो बेटा? I'm not able to understand what are you saying, Karamjeet.
Sir, can you write the answer box?
Question
Sir, can
5.
you answer chat box?
Question 5 का आंसर है बेटा 820.
Can I
बेटा कौन
write
है
in the
जिसकी आवाज में
chat
गिटार
box?
बज रहा है? बेटा who is speaking? I'm not able to understand. आपकी आवाज में गिटार बज रहा है. Yeah, question 5, the answer is 820, but don't worry if you have not got the answer correctly. Just wait for some time. I will explain question 5 also, but for now, stop doing anything, whatever you are doing, stop doing everything. Just pay attention on question number 6. Is it clear? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Am I clear? Okay.
Sir, I have got correct answer, sir. By mistake, I have written the
Arey,
wrong.
please wait. What I told you, have you heard it or not? What I am saying to you? I am saying stop doing whatever you are doing. Stop
Yes, sir.
everything and pay attention on question 6. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Ravi bought a motorbike for rupees 1750. Ravi ने एक motorbike खरीदी है for rupees 17,500. He bought a motorbike for rupees 17,500 की एक motorbike खरीदी है. इतनी सस्ती, पता नहीं कौन से जमाने की बात कर रहे हैं. Then he spent some money for repair of the okay, maybe possible that he has bought a second-hand motorbike. He spent some money on the repairing. How much? 1,200 rupees. He spent on the repairing of the motorbike. कुछ खराबी होगी उसमें repair करवा दिया. So this is his spending. This is also his spending. ये दोनों उसने खर्चा करा है, पैसे खर्च करे हैं. If you are spending money, that is counted as cost price. वो दोनों जितने भी items है, whatever you are spending on a particular product, that is all counted in the case of cost price. So ये दोनों quantities where you have spent your money, you will add these two quantities and make the cost price. Now this is your cost price. 17,500 plus 1,200 दोनों जगह खर्चा किया था, दोनों ऐड करके टोटल खर्चा मिल गया. टोटल खर्चा बोले तो कॉस्ट प्राइस. क्लियर और नॉट? कॉस्ट प्राइस 18,700. Are you getting my point? Cost price, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
This is सबको क्लियर है? कॉस्ट प्राइस, everyone? I want a response
Yes,
from
sir.
student.
Please explain once again.
हाँ.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
I told you कि 17,500 की उसने परचेज करी है. What is the
Yes,
price?
sir.
He paid 17,500 to purchase the motorbike. Then he spent money on repairing the motorbike. उसमें कुछ खराब था, उसने रिपेयर करवा
So he
दिया।
will.
1200 rupees
So he get the.
Yes, sir. 1,200
ये
rupees.
भी उसने स्पेंड किया मनी, ये मनी भी उसने स्पेंड करे हैं, दोनों मनी स्पेंड करें, दोनों अमाउंट। तो दोनों अमाउंट को ऐड करके you will find the total cost price. This is your cost price. Now is it clear to everyone? I want a response. Is it clear? Cost price.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
As
sir.
17,500 plus 1,200 is equal to
Sir, it's clear in
18,700.
water.
Very good.
18,700. So there is only no, मतलब कि no difference in rupees. So
Now-
they got no.
Sir, it's clear like water.
So now selling price.
So you're
It
not
is given
audible.
that after spending this much money, he sold the motorbike. Ravi sold the motorbike for 18,700. 18,700 की उसने सेल भी कर दी। अब what is
Sir,
the
voice is not coming properly.
Beta, there is some network problem at your end because I think others are able to listen properly.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, I was writing and your voice is not coming.
Yes, sir. Can you hear my voice?
So now selling price, in this case, the selling price is equal to the cost price. दोनों equal हैं. Am I right or not? Both are equal. Selling price is
Yes,
equal to
sir.
cost price. Both
Yes,
are
sir.
equal. So whenever the selling price and cost price are equal, तो आपको ना तो profit होगा ना loss होगा. So no profit, no loss. Answer. This is your answer. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear like water.
Okay. So I am going to erase this from the board now. Achha,
No,
notice-
So
sir.
now the fifth
Okay.
question.
Note down in your copies. I am giving you some time. Note down.
So after that, we'll do the fifth question. Yes, sir.
Sir, after this our this chapter will be end, or we will do the work fun page also.
But I will tell you what to do. Don't worry. Just wait for some time.
Sir, I have done. Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Yes.
और देखो
Sir, is it necessary that if one man or any woman has a profit of rupees or anything, so the other will be loss, have a loss?
Not necessarily. Because suppose if you send me something, suppose you bought it for 500. If you are selling your suppose cycle to me, and let us assume that you bought it for 500 and then you sold it to me at 600. तुमको फायदा हो गया, 600 में तुमने सेल कर दी, 100 रुपीस का प्रॉफिट हो गया। फिर मैंने क्या करा, तुमसे 600 में परचेज करने के बाद मैंने किसी और को 700 में सेल कर दी, तो बताओ मुझे लॉस हुआ या प्रॉफिट हुआ?
Profit.
दोनों को प्रॉफिट हुआ।
It's your profit.
आपको भी प्रॉफिट हुआ, मुझे भी प्रॉफिट हुआ।
Yes, sir.
If someone is purchasing something and उसको suppose the shopkeeper is in profit, तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं होता the customer is in loss. It is not the case. Okay. Customer ने को सामान जरूरत है कुछ, suppose if customer is buying a product and every customer knows that the shopkeeper is gaining something from him, shopkeeper को profit होता है, सबको मालूम है, तो मैं भी shopkeeper से फिर भी सामान purchase करता हूँ. Why I am purchasing it? Because I need it. That is why. इसका मतलब ये थोड़ी कि I am in a loss. Doesn't mean that I am in a loss. Okay.
So sir, you have also seen in the TV channel there is a serial of profit and loss of companies. So what? They are also mainly tell about the profit and loss or anything else.
You know, they must be telling about lot of terms and conditions in a business. Many things are there in a business, so they must be.
Sir, I want to ask a question that we can find the percentage of profit and loss.
Yes,
Yes, we can. We can.
you can find percentage in profit and loss that you are going to study in your higher
You
class.
can. Yes, sir.
You will be studying that in class 6 and 7.
Sir, but I have done it.
Very good.
Sir, I have done that. Like I think that we first we have to tell the is it profit or loss, or we have to tell that how much profit and how much loss, and then we have to convert it on percent. I think so.
Yes. So that whole thing you will just understand in your higher classes. Okay, some of you are having a problem in question number 5, so I am doing it on the board. Question 5.
820 is the correct answer, sir. I think.
Yes, it is correct.
Yes, sir. 820 my also.
TP is equal to rupees 695. TP is equal to.
Okay. Question number 5. If you bought a cycle for rupees
Sir, I have
600,
written.
if you bought a cycle, yani ki cost price, you bought a cycle for rupees.
CP is equal to rupees 695.
So cost price is 695, and then you sold it for a profit of 125. आपने क्या करा, उसको sell कर दिया.
Profit is equal to rupees 125.
You sold it for a profit of 125. Yes, this is your profit.
125.
Now what is your
Profit
selling
is equal to SP minus CP.
So you have to listen.
The profit is equal to SP minus CP. Then 125 is equal to SP minus 695.
For this, we are discussing the fifth
Sir,
one.
the answer for this
Let
645.
me not asking you all, please wait, let the teacher speak. If you are also speaking, I will not be able to explain the question. Okay, I know you all have done. Okay, let me speak. I want some students, those who have not understood, I want to explain this question to them. So it is possible only if you remain quiet. So,
Sir is
जी बोलिए पहले आप.
fourth answer is 645.
Fourth answer is yeah, it is 645. Okay. Yeah, now pay attention here. You have to find the selling price. So we will use the same old formula of profit. What is the same old formula of profit? It is selling price minus cost price. ये वही formula है पुराना वाला. So profit we know it is 125. Selling price don't know. We don't know. We have to find the selling price. But this time we know the cost price. 695. So as I told you, I will use the same formula in every question to solve it. Matlab there are two formulae. One is of profit,
Yes,
one is
sir.
of loss. So only two formulae I am using to solve all the questions. No new formula is required. Okay. पहले भी मैंने आपको बताया था. So CP, put the value of cost price. What is the cost price? 695. Okay. Now this 695 is in negative. You take it to LHS. इसको LHS में फेंक दो उठा के. RHS से उठाओ, LHS में फेंक दो. नेगेटिव था, क्या बन जाएगा? पॉजिटिव. 125 प्लस
Positive. 125 plus 695
हाँ. So
is equal to SP.
what is the sum? Rupees
820 is
820.
820
This is your answer.
is equal to
Simple.
answer.
820
Sir,
is
my
it.
answer is correct.
Sir, my answer is correct.
Very good.
Sir, my also is correct.
Sir, my also correct.
Sir, please. Sir, is it correct?
Which one?
The question 5 I have pinned it. You can pin my.
Who is showing me? Tell me your name.
Sorry,
Sorry,
Saxena.
Saxena.
Ah, yeah, it is correct. Correct.
So please see Karthik. अरे यार, एक मिनट।
Karthik. Karthik Khandelwal, where are you? Yeah, correct.
Okay, sir.
Okay, all of you now. Everyone. Yes, open page number 120.
Sir, please wait for 1 minute.
Page number 120 open करिए.
Sir, opened.
So we will be doing fun page.
Yes, page number 120. Open it.
So we will be doing fun page.
Yes, we will do the fun page. Formative assessment, question 1 and 2.
Sir, page number 120 or 128?
Page number 120, fun page 120. इसको पूरा, can you do all the things which are given on the page? Very simple. Question 1, 2 and brain booster, तीनों चीजें कर लो. Start doing
Sir,
it.
please explain again. I was not able to hear.
बेटा आपको फन पेज करना है बस. इस चैप्टर का पेज नंबर 120 ओपन करिए. फन पेज जो दिया हुआ है. Do all the questions given on fun page. Do them in the book only. Do all the questions in the book. Okay, I'm giving you some time to do these questions. Yeah, Adhiraj, what do you want to ask?
Sir, I want to ask that sir, we have to do the fun page in the book or in copy.
Beta, you have to do it in the book.
Okay, sir.
Karthik Khandelwal, what do you want to ask?
Sir,
Hmm?
sir, I was thinking. So, sir, we have started fill in the blanks.
Beta, do the fun page in the book, page number 120. All the questions.
Okay, sir.
It will hardly take 5-6 minutes. Huh?
Sir, in the book.
Yes, in the book. Hanji, Karamjeet. Karamjeet, what do you want to say?
Sir, I have done this. Sir, I have done this
Okay,
formative assessment, first one.
okay, do all of them.
Sir, can I do second one?
Obviously, you have to do all of them. And don't raise your hand for
Okay, sir.
telling me that we have done this. Don't raise your hand for this. Just to tell that we have done. Okay. Raise your hand if you really want to ask something important. Yes, sure. Do you want to say something?
Sir,
Ishita,
I want to say that we have to today we have to do brain booster also.
yes.
So I have done that, and in profit and loss, I am understand easily. In profit and loss percentage, we have to tell the percentage also.
Where?
How much profit and loss
Is
you
there a
can
question
see in brain boost.
in Brain Booster? कहाँ लिखा है बेटा? No percentage.
Yes,
Okay,
sir. As,
okay, leave that section. Profit of
sir, but
loss,
what?
leave that. I got it. I have seen it. You don't
Yes,
have
sir.
to find the profit or loss percentage. Leave the last column. Okay, all of you. There is in your Brain
Okay, sir.
Booster
Thank you, sir.
question, Brain Booster वाला जो question है आपका, in that you don't have to fill the last column. Last column में आपका profit and loss percentage लिखा है. Leave it. Okay.